Patterns and numbers in nature and the world. A pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. A pattern is a diagram or shape that you can use as a guide when you are making something such as a model or a piece of clothing. To be simple, pattern defined as regular, repeated, recurring forms or designs. Bilateral symmetry. The butterfly is symmetric about the axis indicated by line. Left and right portion are exactly the same. Leonardo da Vinci's Virtual Man shows the proportion and symmetry of human body. Rational symmetry. Note, if you rotate the starfish, you can still achieve the same appearance as the original position. The sunflower. There is a definite pattern of clockwise and counterclockwise arc of spiral extending outward from the center. The snail shell. As the snail grow, their shell also expand proportionally. It is called a triangular spiral.
Let's go! Layo na nga na pagitan. Lahat sila sa'kin naiwan. Puno lang hate on a reason. Bala lang to every season. Winning kasama ang team. Dati hindi mo lang to pinansin. Batang nagsikap makuha ang dream.